Get ready to say wow to one of the best 4-bed, 2-bath layouts I've ever seen. This is the most perfect 4-bedroom roommate apartment I've ever had the pleasure of being in. I'm starting out here in, we could call it the great room because it is pretty great. It's an open concept kitchen and living space with nice wide counters, a dishwasher, and such a great space to sit and eat or watch the game or gather with your friends and roommates. Really an exceptional living space. But the part of this apartment that blew my mind is the 4 windowed, closeted bedrooms, all with great usable layouts. Not exactly the same in size, but for this era of buildings, really, really great bedroom layout. Okay, so we're gonna start out in bedroom number 1. Tons of light in all of the bedrooms. Notice all this recessed lighting all over the apartment. And nice usable closets. This works great for a queen bed and a desk. If you really wanted to, you could probably squeeze a king bed with a smaller frame in here, but a queen would work well. And there is also room for a dresser desk setup. And again, there's bonus closets, by the way. There's huge closets in the hallway, but this has a nice wide double closet. So this is bedroom number 1. It has 2 windows. Okay, bedroom number 2 has 1 window. But again, these are nice sized bedrooms. Everything is bright. Everything has storage. There is the closet. It is a little bit narrower than the bedroom that we just saw. But again, plenty of room for queen bed, desk, dresser. And again, good bright light, nice open sky, a little bit of junk removal going on across the street, but that's okay. Back out into this mind-boggling living space. Here is bedroom number 3. And I would say that this is pretty equal, maybe slightly wider than the one we just saw. Some nice radiator detail, a good sized closet, and again, very usable. Okay, let's go. We're gonna get to these closets in a minute. Bedroom number 4 has this cute little decorative balcony action. Maybe put out a little bird seed there in the winter, I don't know. This is one of the larger bedrooms, and again, queen to even maybe a king could fit in here. Good sized closet, recessed lighting. And again, this is bedroom number 4 with the balcony. Okay, closet space. On top of there being 4 closets, there's this massive coat closet going into the living space. And then there is a separate, this could be a pantry or sporting goods. That's my coat and purse. So here's a pantry here. Let's take one last look. Again, just such a fun, beautiful, stylish space with the hooded oven, dishwasher, great sink, really so clean, so open. Bathrooms, yes, I'm gonna go to the bathrooms. The bathrooms are around the corner. So that gives you some nice separation in terms of like traffic and noise in the morning. Here is bathroom number 1. Super is still finishing cleaning up here a little bit. Nice little crystal light there. Medicine cabinet. And here is bathroom number 2. Again, we just had to move out a few days ago. So there you go. Front door has a little bit of brick detail. I'm just gonna give you a quick last whip around the corner, closet, balcony bedroom, living space, cabinets, bedroom 3, and wrapping it up in bedroom number 4.